Ready to bake na ang aking custard cake. Nagpipreheat pa ako ng oven. This is for 4th of July. Custard cake. Sana ito'y umalsa kasi ano lang yung gamit ko, hindi tartars. Hindi cream of tartar. Dapat ay vinegar lang ang gamit ko sa egg white. Cooking breakfast dito sa labas ng bahay, dito sa likod ng bahay. Breakfast ngayon, 4th of July, alas 11 na. Mamayang alas 5 kala Ate Jody kami, kala Ate Livy kami. Happy 4th of July! Dito ako kukuha ng roast. Malagay ko sa steak. Don't touch the scissors. Later we eat the steak and the egg. I'm just cooking noodles, okay? Kain tayo, guys. 4th of July breakfast and lunch. Yay! Happy 4th of July. Yay! Merlin love noodles. Yay!
4th of July?
Yeah.
Oh man, this corn on the cob is delicious.
Nice.
Especially with this one. Look at that.
I am making egg pie. Nakagawa na ako ng custard cake. Kaya gagawa naman ako ng egg pie. Ito na yung aking crush. Ito na yung aking butter mix na may egg white. I-straight ko pala ito. Paggawa na ako ng custard cake, yung may leche ko lang na may leche lang. Custard cake. Dalawa. At saka dalawang egg pie. Egg pie yan. My egg pie is ready to bake. My homemade egg pie. Pasok na natin sa oven. Meron ako dong custard cake. Sala yung shoot ng hindi nag-shoot ang custard cake sa tray. This is my custard cake. Transfer ko kasi hindi nag-shoot. Custard cake. Ari yung isang hindi ko nilagay sa ano. Nilagay ko kasi ito kumayat oh. Hindi naman siya natapon kaso kumayat sa gilid yung syrup, yung arnibal, yung dadalhin ko ito sa potluck mamaya. Kila Ate Joby, at kila Ate Libby. Ito yung custard cake ko. Ito yung egg pie ko. Hindi ko mai-transfer dito yung egg pie. Kasi ang init pa. Dudurog yung crust niya. Crush niya ay mainit. Tinatry kong i-transfer dito sa disposable tray. Ay mainit pa itong egg pie kasi kaahon lang sa oven. My homemade egg pie and my homemade custard cake. Ito yung ipapatlak ko kay Ate Livy kasi dun kami mag-spend ng 4th of July. Naka-ready na, na-transfer ko na sila sa aluminum disposable. Ito kanina ang nahirapan akong kasi mainit pa yung egg pie pero now it's already na-transfer ko na siya oh. It looks good. Ready to go. Hi, team. Where are we going, Daddy? Look, that's the one we got from the road. It looks good. The stroller. Where are we going, Daddy? 4th of July get together. Our neighbor. Yay! May dala akong cake and pie. Doon lang po yung bahay namin. And then yung bahay ni Ate Joby. Ito lang oh. Pangatlong bahay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pang-anim na bahay mula sa amin. And yan yung kay Ate Livy. Yung may truck na yan. Ito ang kay Ate Joby bahay. Kay Ate Joby. Oh my gosh, Tim! Don't do that! What's wrong with you? Ito ang kala Ate Livy. Yan, may truck. And then ito ang kala Ate Joby. Naka-white kami. Happy 4th of July. Yan yung dumpster diving kung ano. Why you didn't put the in the front the she like it. This is Ate Libby's house. Yan o. Picture with you guys. 1, 2, 3. That's Ate Libby's house. One more. 1, 2, 3. And doon ang kila Ate Juby and Libby. 1, 2, 3. Dito kami spend ng ang ganda naman ng kanilang garden. I like their garden. Magba-barbecuean daw dito. Ito'y kanto lang eh. Doon na yung ano, road. Hi po! Hello!
Hi, come on in. Good.
Oh.
Neighbors lang naman.
Neighbors lang.
Hi!
Hi, Merlin! Ito po si Ate Libby. Yay! Neighbors. I like her kitchen. Sana all. Ang aking kitchen ang pangit.
Parehas lang naman yata mga bahay dito. Hello.
Hi!
Thank you very much.
Yay! Big TV. Oh.
Huh? I could carry your picture, but she likes to ride that thing. You might want it in the house too. You just want to put her in as the rest.
Tree. Thank you. Eating time. Sharon, balutin mo ako.
Tim, you want some of this?
Marilyn likes Ate Libby.
Yeah, it's good.
Going home with the food, a lot of food from the party, neighbor party. We have a lot of food and Marilyn likes it. She likes her car, that's from the dumpster. Yay! I clean it up and brush it and put bleach and nilinis ko yung stroller na yan na kuha lang namin sa basurahan. Happy 4th of July! Meron kaming Sharon dito. Sharon means balutin mo ako. Nagbalot kami ng barbecue from the party. Our neighbor, house party. Ito dessert. At may gabi pa. Nilagang gabi. Sarap.